Muhammad Hasnan and welcome back to another video. So today again we are going to discuss a topic in maths, but before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for notification, like my videos and also share it with your family and friends. So today I'm going to tell you a very quick and fast trick to square a 3-digit number without any complex calculation. I already made a video on how to square 2-digit numbers with a trick, so don't forget to check that out. And today we are going to discuss about 3-digit numbers squaring. So let's start. So now let's start the very simple and easy trick to square a 3-digit number without any complex calculation. So we have an example. We have to find the square of number 105. So this is also similar to the squaring of 2-digit numbers. Similarly, in this also, first we have to divide the number into two parts. So in the first part, we have to divide the first number, and in the second part, we have to divide the last two numbers. So 1 and 5. Now we have to divide our answer, means the square of 105, into three parts. In the very first part, we have to write the square of the first digit in the number. So in this case, our first part of the number, our first digit is 1. So 1 square is 1. So 1 will be our first part. Now, first let's do the last part. So in the last part, we are going to write the square of the last part in our number. So our last digit and our last part in this case is number 5. So it was 05, which is equal to 5. So 5 square is 25 and 25 will be our last part. And in this case, you can write a 2-digit number in your answer. After the first and last part, let's try to find out the middle part. So in the middle part, we have to write the first digit times the second part in number times 2 as we are squaring. So 1 into 5, which is 5, and then 5 into 2, which is 10. So 10 is going to be our middle part, and now we get our final answer that the square of 105 equals to 11025. So now let's try another example, and in our second example we have to find out the square of number 222. So as the last time, first of all we will divide the number into two parts. Part number 1, the first digit, and in part number 2, the last two digits. Now we will divide our answer into three parts. So our answer means the square of 222 into three parts. So now just like last time, in the first part we have to write the square of the first digit. So the first digit is 2 and 2 square is 4. So 4 will be our first part. Now we will do the last part. So in the last part, we have to write the square of the last two digits in the number. So in this case, the last two digits are 22. So we will write square of 22. So the square of 22 is 484. And now we will only write the last two digits. So we will write 84 over here, and 4 will be carried over to the next place. So now we are going to do the middle part. So in the middle part, first we will multiply the two parts. So 22 into 2, that gives us 44. Now we will again multiply with 2. So 44 into 2, that gives us 88. Now we will write 88, but we also have 4 carried over from the last part. So we will add 88 plus 4. So 88 plus 4, that gives us 92. So we will write 92 as our middle part. So now we get our final answer that the square of number 222 is 49284. So I hope so you find this trick informational. Thanks for watching.